houses, as well as road networks, resulting in low harvest, hunger, homelessness, as well as impaired transportation network. Also note that in developed countries, policies are put in place to provide adequate flood control system to not to only safeguard the environment, but improve the quality of harvest and ensure food security for not only their citizens, but for global eradication of hunger in line with Sustainable Development Goals. Aware that dams in Nigeria were designed mostly for power production, water supply, irrigation, as well as navigational activities. And hardly any of them was systematically put in place, designed for flood control. Also aware that in developed countries, there are systems that monitor the water level of rivers, and according to the risk with the level, trigger emergency alert to the authorities, who are then able to provide timely solution to forestall potential flood disaster. Concerned that 80% of Nigerian farmers have suffered great loss of revenue, as well as a result of flooding, which destroys their crops and other agricultural facilities. Cognizant that a systematic flood control program will provide major economic and social benefits like increased cash flow, employment opportunity, and livelihood diversification, as well as provide irrigation to farmers, especially for planting during the dry season to ensure continuous food production for commercial and consumption purposes. Also cognizant that Nigeria's economy suffers many ways after a flood with the loss of lives, vegetation, properties, as well as infrastructure, which means there will be fewer people on the labor force, lost agricultural available for locals, and exporting less businesses to contribute to the country's economic progress or development. Resolves. 1, urge the Federal Ministry of Water Resources and the Federal Ministry of Agriculture to commence effective control system to forestall flooding and boost agricultural production across the country. Number 2, mandate the committees on water resources as well as agriculture to ensure prompt compliance. Mr. Speaker, my fellow colleagues, I so submit. Thank you.
Honorable Jahan.